Today, we're taking you deep into the heart of Oregon, to a place where nature speaks louder than words. This is Silver Falls State Park, home to the legendary trail of 10 Falls. They call it the crown jewel of Oregon state parks, and trust me, once you step on this trail, you'll understand why. From roaring waterfalls to peaceful forest paths, it's a journey through wonder, and we're bringing you with us. Welcome to another adventure with the two CanAsian Travellers.
Hi guys, today we're driving from Vancouver all the way to Oregon. This drive takes around 6 hours. Hey guys,
Good morning!
good morning. We are here right now sa Silver
Falls State Park sa Oregon.
Yes, it's an hour away from Portland, Oregon. Dito we will be looking at the 10 falls. It's gonna be like maybe like a 5-hour hike.
Yes.
But first time namin dito, so we're gonna find out honestly.
Join us.
Yeah, and then kung magpa-park ka, pwede ka sa south and
Sa
north.
Yeah.
Yeah, doon ang parking yan, pero may bayad.
I think mas mas famous tong south. Kasi mas malaki.
Yeah, I think it's ano pala, $10 per yung yung
Per
parking.
All day.
All day na yan. Pero kami in the morning kasi very famous to at maraming mga tao na pumupunta dito. Baka mawala ka ng parkingan. But malaki naman yung parkingan nila. So anyway, halika na.
Let's come join us as we explore State Falls Park. Bye.
Right.
See ya.
Oh, so our first stop would be the South Falls.
Yes. Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah,
Along the way, you can also see some cafe.
yeah, they have a cafe over here,
A cafe.
which is over there. This is the trail for the North Falls, but we're not gonna go there. We're going to the south first. So, non-profit nature store. Proceeds go back to the park. So we're here at the South Falls.
Yeah, the first one.
The first
falls.
one is amazing.
Later, we're gonna show you what it looks like from the down below. We're on top of it.
Amazing.
Yes,
Really
right.
amazing.
Very magnificent. God's creation.
So if you want to go behind the waterfalls, you need to go down.
The Canyon Trail.
Yes. And you can see the path over here. It's gonna be all the way down, going behind the falls. amazing view on the bottom of the falls. So we're gonna go to the lower South Falls and lower North Falls.
Yes. See ya.
So this is what? The South Pole, right?
The
The lower South Pole.
The first one was the South Falls and the lower South Falls. Second one. So 8 more to go.
So we're going to the,
Third falls.
which is the lower North Falls.
Yes. See ya.
So we just did the lower North Falls and the
Twin Falls.
Twin Falls.
So we already have so far. Wow.
double falls, I think.
Sorry. Yeah, double falls. Sorry.
So now we're heading to Drake.
Drake Falls and then Twin Falls.
Okay, let's go. Going up. So we just saw Drake Falls.
Yeah, it's not that far from Double Falls.
Yeah, you can see it down here. Yeah. So which one is next?
Twin Falls.
Twin
Let's
Falls.
go.
Actually, we are going to the Middle Falls first. Middle Falls. Oh, we're heading for the Twin Falls now.
We have 4 more.
Four
falls
more.
to go.
Yeah.
And it's already past 12, so we've been walking for like 2 hours ish. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Okay. We are now heading to the North Falls. Waterfalls. So we made it to the last falls, which is Winter Falls. It was a long walk, but it's not that bad.
There's some steep area, but the rest are mostly flat.
Yeah, and it's a good. It was really a good walk. It's moderate, right?
Good thing it's not raining.
And the view was fantastic, very nice. I suggest when you're in Oregon,
Come visit
Come-
Silver Falls State Park.
yes. So again, thank you for watching us. Until next time.
Bye. No. Hi guys, thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel, the CanAsian Travellers. See you again next time. Bye.
Every fall flows from the same river, and maybe that's what life is like too. Different moments, same source. Keep walking, keep trusting, and let His grace keep flowing through you. This is the Trail of 10 Falls, Silver Falls State Park, Oregon. Even when we fall, God's grace keeps flowing. Until our next video.